And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the slice method that can be used to extract parts from a string. I'll make this a string. Let me use car brands like Audi, Ford, Chevrolet. It's stored in the let of str for string. Print it out using document.write. And now we can attach the methods, so str.slice, and in the parentheses we add start position, comma, and then end position for the slice. And you simply count the letters. Let me count them all through. I believe it's 21. So we have 21 characters, including the commas and white spaces in our str. Start position, let me make that 3, and that would be A-U-D, so the first 3 letters that will be sliced. And then the end position, if I make that 21, we'll get the rest. There you go. It starts with the I and goes up to the T of Chevrolet. Make that 18, and it cuts out the last 3 letters here, L-E-T, and that's the principle behind this simple method. We want to have the entire part from the start, just add a 0 here for the start position. And it starts with the A of Audi. You can also use negative values. Make that 5, and we'll cut out the Audi and the comma. And if I make that -5, it now starts counting from the back, so from the end position on, which means that we get the Rollet from Chevrolet. These are the 5 letters that are going to be sliced. When you now define an end position, you can't be higher than the start, because this is now inverted, so you have to be lower. If I say -5 is the start, we'll have to go -4 or lower for the end to have content in our new string. -4 would leave us with the R, -3 with the RO, and so forth. If I make this -10 and this -5, we get the chef right here. So it goes back 10 steps for the start, and then it goes back 5 steps for the end position. And this is how I can use the slice method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.